Well, I think sports offer a lot of opportunities to experience highs and lows of being a teammate, of experiencing victories and losses. And it's great at ESM to see coaches who understand that our primary goal here is not winning and losing numbers, but they're developing kids' character and handling situations in a Christ-like manner as much as is possible, whether it's in victory or defeat.
I think it's when students are out there on the court with each other, with their friends, finding success in that way. They're learning how to be a teammate, they're learning how to be a team cheerleader when they're out there, and just that opportunity that we have to talk about Christ every single day is so important for our student athletes to hear, and then they get to continue to do that amongst themselves in the classroom and in the hallways to be able to talk about all of the successes that they're having on the field or the track or wherever it may be in their athletic groups.
Yeah, athletics really does provide a lot of opportunities for kids that may struggle in the classrooms to feel successful in another venue. And so I think it's a real neutralizer of your sense of self-value for where you think you are that can be improved upon or can be celebrated by your teammates.